Hey everyone, welcome back to Fast Fix. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete Facebook group. So when you open your Facebook app, now tap on the profile icon at the top right corner. And then as you can see right here, you need to tap on groups on this one. And you can see all the groups that you have membered with. Now tap on your groups. And as you can see right here, I have two groups that I manage. So I will tap the new group right over here. And then, as you can see here, tap on the shield icon at the top right corner. So you can delete this group right here. And you need to scroll down until the bottom. And you can see the three options. And from the right option, you can see the delete group. So you just tap this one. And you can see delete group by leaving. You just tap on delete group. So that's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.